Hey guys, John Plantech here, and today we're going to do our part 2 of our little tutorial. So in our first one, we did it to where we had to collect a key, and in the next one, this is based off of a request. So we have to collect a key, door opens, we enter, and then this one, we need it to where it says, hey, press a button. So that's what we're going to do. So over here, we're gonna set it to where my mic a little bit. Okay. And this is where we can actually just copy the behaviors of the first door and move it to the second door and slightly modify them. We're gonna move them from the ground up. So we're gonna move them from the ground up. It takes a little bit longer, but it gets the job done. On proximity to something, and we're gonna set that to 40. Current active camera, trigger when enter radius, what we're going to do with that. It's going to unhide or hide something. Boom. Toggle visibility. So not make invisible, make visible. Which scene node? Done. Do you have that overlay? Yeah, we got that overlay. Change the scene node. Select. Boom. And what we're also going to do is we're going to change the text on its overlay. To the overlay, we do text, go to press E to open this door. Hit OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do another proximity. This one's going to be 30. It says leave, set, and we're going to say change position. Okay, so on the first one we need to change the position. On proximity, okay, so we're going to start grabbing its movements. Position, we're going to copy that. And when we hit E, the key is pressed. E, press down. We're going to move an object. We're going to move this door. Change position. Select. Cube mesh 2. Paste. Done. Now we need to copy its location that's in non-movement. Use radius. Boom. Okay, so that should be roughly what we need. So first door. This door is locked. Gonna need a key. Grabbing a key. Boom. Next to this door. Press E to open this door. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Let's peek through that door. Press E to open this door. Boom. And then it closes. What we can also do is, see, this is when we do that leaves radius. What we're going to do is I'm going to copy that position control. We're going to delete that. We're going to do do something later. We're gonna wait 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Change position of a scene node. Select. Cube Mesh 2. Paste. Animated. Done. Okay, so it doesn't like instantly shut on us. So grabbing this key, and we can do this on this one too. But we're going to say, hey, press open. Relieve radius. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check that code one more time. Maybe I rushed through it. Check that. Approximating, leave, do something. Oh, is that? Oh, that's 40,000. So that's 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, okay. If we waited a minute, we would have been good. It'd be like, I don't need the monsters following me. Boom. Open that. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Door closes. Okay, it takes a little bit longer, but what we also need to do is when we press E, we need to also hide or unhide, make invisible, select the billboard, or sorry, 2D overlay, and we also need to change this position. But we're going to say okay to that. Now 4,000, let's do 2 seconds. Okay, so we're going to grab this key, open that door, move away from the door, it's going to close. And then it's going to close this behind us. So that one's done. Again, you can also do actuators where it's like, that up. Okay. So where you can have it as set as variables. So there's two ways to do doors where you can have variables 0 and 1, or you can have it just hit E and then you open up a door and then into it. So I may use this scene for other tutorials like in enemy AI weapon pickups and all that stuff. So I'll do that with this. And then somebody requested a dungeon based setup, so I don't know if they wanted a first-person dungeon or a top-down dungeon, so I may do like a little mini samples of each thing. So just comment down below on that stuff, hit like and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.